takes 6 to 8 weeks to customize a hair system. The process of making the hairpiece is very specific. It's a bespoke piece for you. We begin by making a template from the top of your head or wherever the partial hair loss happens to be. We use a sample of your hair if we can get it, that's great, and we match the hair exactly. We have pieces here that may actually fit you and suit you. We could cut them to size on the day, but if not, some clients just like to be able to touch it and feel it and sort of be able to judge what it would look like and what it would feel like for them.